Tapos lang muna sa game on how you were able to, dikit sa laban.
Wala.
Two free throws, one ball.
Thoughts? Wala akong masabi ngayon. But I'm just really proud of my team. How they really kept on fighting. Lumaban sila hanggang sa huli. Yun lang ang masasabi. Naman ako. Gagawa ko. Ganun talaga.
About yung medyo yung mga calls, medyo very
Ayoko na ma-fine. Alam na nila yun. Sila na lang ang bahala. And ayoko magsalita ba ako ano lang masabi.
How about the way Jerome took over?
Well,
tapos lang sa dulo.
He really needs to learn. No? So, kaya katulad sinasabi ko, he's the one who's gonna be the one who's will take charge. He's capable of doing that. You just have to learn how to do it all over and all over again. You just have, binibigyan ko siya ng kumpiyansa para gawin. He commits a mistake, next time, he knows it. So, gano'n lang yun.
Coach, with the way you perform tonight, it's very obvious na talaga may progress under your watch. Ano lang masasabi mo?
Well, ayun nga, I like what I've seen that itong last conference, itong conference na to, a lot of positive, and yung recipe o yung blueprint kung paano ko gusto patakbuhin yung team na to. Medyo nakukuha na ng players. So, konting tweak na lang ng mga pagkakamali namin, mga kailangan namin improve. So, just have to improve our habits. So, yun lang. And hopefully this is the last na okay lang, na good lang to, no? Hopefully this is the last time. And hopefully we learn.
Coach, na-mindful na dalawang conferences it ka na as head coach. Sa sarili mo, ano nakikita mong improvement and growth mo as a head coach?
Mas nasa stress ako ngayon. Dahil sa mga referee. So, hindi sa mga players ko. But anyways, dahil nagugustuhan ko yung mga nakikita ko sa mga players at the team, kung paano sila mag-respond sa akin. The more that mas nangyayagano akong mag-coach, magturo sa kanila. And I like what I'm seeing sa kanila na sinusunod nila yung mga gusto ko. So personally, I'm really excited and still looking forward. Again, this is just my second conference as a head coach. And a job of my PBA coach is not really easy. Diba? Playing or coaching alongside or coaching against really good coaches. I mean, it's hard.